All right, so the next thing we're going to talk about is editors. And we could use WebStorm, either WebStorm or Atom. And in the course resources, I'm going to show you how to set up Atom. I like WebStorm because that is what Google chose IntelliJ to build Android Studio and on top of. And so if you know WebStorm, you have a good understanding of how JetBrains products work, and it helps create familiarity with Android Studio. But Atom's free. WebStorm you could get pretty discounted too. If you search buy WebStorm or purchase WebStorm, you'll come to this page. And you can search for discounted complimentary access, and you can see that they have free for a lot of people or startups. We're going to do Atom. So first thing you want to do is download Atom. And then once Atom is downloaded and installed, you're going to launch Atom. So I'm going to launch Atom right now. And the first time you launch Atom, you should see this kind of a welcome screen. So now I'm going to open a project. So I'm going to choose Open Project. And when I open a project, I'm going to go to my workspace, go Workspace, go to my source folder, go to GitHub, goes to 11, right? GitHub goes to 11. Any name I want, I'm going to open that. And so now here I am with all that stuff open. I could close this welcome guide. I could close this welcome. I'll close that one. I'll close this one. Next thing I want to do is I want to install things for Atom so that it works well with Golang. So I'm going to choose Open Installer. And here's where I choose Install, and I can search for Golang. And hit Enter. And so it's searching for Golang, and there's Go Plus, Autocomplete Go, right? Go Get, Go Fumped, right? All this stuff. So I'm going to do Go Plus first, 196,000. And then detects installed Go, runtimes, tools, and configurations, making them for use available. That's pretty popular. Autocomplete's pretty popular. Go Get is pretty popular. I'll just try this one first. So I'll hit install on that. And while this is installing, I'm going to show you two other things that you should go get. So one of them is Golang Lint. Another one is Golang Tools. And we'll just see what comes up. And so here's a mirror to Golang Tools. And then here's Golang Lint. And Golang Tools is at this location. So golang.org x-tools. So I'm going to copy that URL. I'm going to go to my terminal, do go get, and put in that. And I'm going to add -u to update it, because then that will just look at mine, which I already have. And if there are any updates, I'll pull down the updates. Packaged. And so it went and got it. And it just says, when you see this, it's trying to build it into an executable binary. And this is just code to be used as a package to import in your other projects. It's not meant to be built into an executable. So that's the tools, and that's what happens with a lot of these imports. People freak out about that error. It's not something to freak out about. I'm going to go get GoLint and paste that in. And so those are two tools you want to go grab. And then the next thing is, let's just see how this is doing. Go get, the autocomplete Go package uses a Go code tool, but it cannot be, would you like to run Go Get You, GitHub NSS, run Go Get? And cannot find delve executable div in your Go path. Do you want to install pre-built signed delve executable from Bintray, JetBrains, Golang Drive? Sure. So after that, hopefully it's all set up. Let's try building a hello world file and see if there's any issues that we need to deal with. You guys ready? You good? A little bit fast? End of the day? So to create a new folder, I'm just going to right click up here and choose new folder. And then enter 001. I like sequentially naming my folders when I'm just doing examples. Inside that, I'm going to create a new file, and I'm going to call it hello.go. And now nothing was created at the top. First thing I need is package main. And then after that, I need to do func main And now we're going to do fumpt, print line, right? And it's not giving me a lot of help here. And the print line I'm going to do is hello, what's up? And now I'm going to go run this. I don't know if there's a terminal area in here. View.
Not by default. You have to download it.
You have to install a terminal. So I'd go to Atom and Preferences, and then install in terminal.
The best one I've come across is Flu Platformio IDE terminal.
You like that one?
Yeah, cross platform. Windows and Mac.
All right. A terminal package for Atom, complete with themes and more.
That
Open
one
terminal.
use, but then that Platformio is a kind of spin-off of Terminal Plus, which seems to fix certain bugs.
So this is the way Atom works. You got to like install all these other little packages for it to work, which is why I'm not a super huge fan. But anyhow, I'm not going to install that. I would like to get code completion working. So for code completion, preferences, Golang again, search packages, and we had autocomplete and uninstall. It's already in there, and that's in there. Gofumpt is in there. So I don't know why I'm not getting code completion. Maybe I just need to restart Atom. So I'm going to close it because I installed those other tools, and then restart it and see if it recognizes them. Wouldn't that be nice? Fumpt, print. Like, he wants to start doing something, but it doesn't.
It's like non-goal.
You press like enter or something. I think.
You have to ask for that. There's a way to get it to come up automatically. All right, so here into this setting up Go with Atom Editor are the different ones you'd want installed to get Atom working well, along with these different ones down here. And so to install all of those, you go here and go to Atom Preferences. And for each of those, go to install. And for each of those, you want to make sure that you have autocomplete Go, right? So I'm just going to type in Golang again. And we have autocomplete Go, that's installed already. Go config. So Go config is installed already. Go get is installed already. Go imports. So Go imports isn't installed. So I'd want to do Go imports. And so I could just search for that. And it's go-imports, go-imports. And so I'd install Go imports. And then Go plus. That's installed already. And Platformio IDE terminal. You're right, man. This the one. This is the file that the guy who knows all about Atom recommending. Go rename, language docker, go fumpt, and go meta linter. So go fumpt. That's installed already. So I'm not sure why I'm not getting code completion. Save. Run go get. Go fumpt package uses that, and then run go get. So we just got some more stuff. Let's try creating. Let's see if it's working now. So that's looking different. So I don't know what happened when I saved it. It like, oh, maybe I just need to save it so it knows it. So now it's a fumpt print line error getting package. That's fine. Go build error undefined fumpt. So I need go imports because it's not bringing in my imports. So I'm going to go back into preferences. And I thought I had that. So what was the imports one? Go imports. Go dash imports. And I already have it, so maybe I just need to save. Command S. Does it on save. So it's just been saved. Undefined funct. So if I do import manually, import funct, and then do funct.println, now I have code completion. Okay. So that's cool. I've got code completion working. But I don't know why Go imports wasn't working. Undefined funct println build. So it's a funct print line. There we go. Not print line. Now save it. And that all looks fine. What else could I use? What about if I take that out? Does it get rid of my imports? And then if I add funct back in and save it, print line. Hello. Does it add it in? Cool. So now my imports are working. I have no idea how that went from not working to working, other than I was saving it, closing it, opening it, saving it, making sure that I had all these things right here. But you saw, like, I did nothing that made sense for that to then start working, and somehow it got its wires all figured out, and it started working. So whatever, good luck to you. That's Atom. I don't know if I'll be using Atom. I'll probably stick with WebStorm because I look like an idiot on Atom because I never use it. But you could use whichever you like, and for the rest of the class tomorrow, I'll use WebStorm. If you're going to do WebStorm, I'll just show you that briefly. And this is my home, so I am totally comfortable in WebStorm, and I'll show you that.
Bye, thank you.
All right, see you tomorrow. So with WebStorm, go to Configure and Plugins, and then disable everything except for what I have enabled here. And there are screenshots of that. And then you also want to go and get the Go plugin. And so just search for Golang up here. And browse to search for other places. And nothing to show, so I guess maybe we need to search for Go. And there it is right there. And so you bring that in. I'm going to update it, sure. But that's how you get it working on WebStorm. It's a lot easier, I think.